CalOSHA approved temporary new standards Thursday, November 19, that will require employers to establish stronger workplace protections against COVID-19 and make it easier for the state to pursue those who do not comply. Though several guidelines have been released in the past, including from CalOSHA, the new standards streamline and strengthen the agency's enforcement efforts by establishing more specific mandates, according to an analysis by CalOSHA. Many of the existing regulations for protecting workers from infectious disease did not cover certain industries affected by major outbreaks, officials said. COVID-19 is an occupational health emergency causing more deaths in less time than any other workplace crisis in the nearly 50-year existence of CalOSHA, wrote Douglas L. Parker, chief of the Division of Occupational Safety and Health, in the analysis of the proposed changes. The COVID-19 public health crisis is exactly the type of catastrophe that the legislature intended an emergency regulation to address. The emergency standards, however, are only temporary at this point, and will run for 180 days while an advisory committee determines permanent rules. CalOSHA's Standards Board approved the matter unanimously. Just sitting on this and waiting will not help. 750 people are dying a day, said David Thomas, chair of the Standards Board. It's time, somebody has to lead. The United States surpassed 250,000 deaths from COVID-19 this week, with more than 18,400 from California. Governor Gavin Newsom reintroduced stay-at-home curfews Thursday that prohibit non-essential work and travel from 10 p.m. to 5 a.m. in counties ranked in the purple tier. The order goes into effect Saturday, November 21st, and remains in effect until December 21st. The National Lawyers Guild and the advocacy group WorkSafe filed the original petition requesting CalOSHA develop the emergency standards. A vaccine appears to be coming in the future, but until we have enough vaccine doses available to inoculate a vast proportion of the working population, we need to continue with non-pharmaceutical measures to prevent continued spread, illness, hospitalizations and deaths, said Stephen Knight, executive director of Workspace, in a statement. During a nearly 8-hour public comment period Thursday, proponents of the standards detailed instances in which workers have faced retaliation for raising concerns and pressure to continue working even when sick. At one warehouse in Brea, 8% of the employees tested positive for the virus, according to Matt Hart of the United Food and Commercial Workers, Local 324. To put it bluntly, in many cases, it seems employers are putting profits before people, Hart said. Under the standards, employers will have to maintain a 6-foot separation between employees and build cleanable, solid barriers in instances where social distancing is not feasible. Employees will need to wear masks, which the employer must provide, with limited exceptions.